Hello, I'm Dr. Sudhir Reddy. I'm an orthopedic surgeon mainly specializing in knee joint replacements. We've been doing this for the last 15 years. Today, we have showcased a patient who is 93-year-old, Mr. Sriram Reddy, who had undergone a knee replacement about 1 month ago. The reason for doing this knee replacement in such an elderly person was because he has reached a stage where he was unable to even walk to the bathroom. He was unable to take care of himself, even the basic needs. So his dignity was badly hurt. He was feeling humiliated, and he had asked that I don't want to live this kind of a life. If I want to live, I want to live with some dignity. Considering that even though his chronological age is 93, he is a reasonably fit man at 93, mentally still good functions. So we went ahead and did the one knee replacement on him, and now after a month he is walking quite well without any pain in the operated knee, whereas his other knee still has some problem, but he is able to take care of himself, walk within the house or even outside the house with little support, and he is a delighted man. The reason why we wanted to focus this is arthritis is the commonest problem in India. If you remember, there was a recent front page news in Times of India, a national survey, which said, and of course, across the population you take, arthritis is the commonest problem. There's no doubt about it. But they had done a survey even in the young patients. Young patients means less than 30 years. What is the commonest health problems affecting in people less than 30 years? Arthritis was at the top with 4%, with followed by diabetes at 3%, followed by cardiovascular disease at 2%. In above 60 years, nearly 50% of people have arthritis, out of which about 10% of them require surgical intervention. Knee replacement is a common surgery in Western world, is now being done in India also reasonably frequently. And this is a surgery in US alone, there are about 6 lakh knee replacements done every year. And the success rate is extremely high, about 99% success rate, and it will last very long. And the average is about 15 years, still 90% of them are surviving very well. Only 5 to 10% of them may have a problem. The complications are mainly infection, which is about 1%, and occasionally clots which can form in the legs, which can very rarely go into your heart and lungs, may need treatment. Okay. So the complications are very less. It is considered by all to be the most successful intervention ever developed in medical field, because there is no other surgery, no other medicine which will give you 99% success rate, which will give you 20 years relief.